Greetings from Dr. Sharat Shetty, Mumbai, and I'll be speaking at the Illusion Dental Show 2024, the signature event of Illusion Dental Lab, to be held from 5th to 7th April 2024 in Goa, the vibrant destination for education and fun in India. It will be a premium opportunity to see some of the best experts who will come together to discuss and share experiences on contemporary evidence, established protocols, cutting-edge materials, technologies, and practices. On my part, I am excited to join you to deliberate on the prosthetic judgments in current implant dentistry. It is an appropriate meeting for revitalizing your passion for dentistry and, importantly, networking and collaborating with your peers and attending colleagues. So register soon to participate in this unique show. I and Goa personally invite you for this mega event and see you in Goa.